Today's Veterans Day, everyone. Happy TGIF. And I'm gonna sneeze with Schnitny powder. Today's Veterans Day. Today's Veterans Day because Mr. Richard was in the military. My staff member. Now I'm gonna sneeze with chitney powder, just like common colds.
There, 600. S. Yes, 3 S's.
Ready? And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
T.
I'm coughing and sneezing at the same time.
Chicago Pizza Tour worth over $7,000. Right down there it goes. So you have that and you have some cash. What do you want to do?
I'm sniffling too. Ready?
2 eyes.
I'm sniffing it too. Ready?
1 H.
I gotta sneeze.
550.
N.
Yeah, 2 N's. Another $1,100 for you. The wheel got you that time. Well, we won't touch anything.
I gotta sneeze.
You never know. Curtis, your turn.
Ready?
Chris, we go to you. Well, we'll find out. Go ahead.
Thank goodness it's Friday.
There you go.
Thank goodness it's Friday. Happy Veterans Day, everyone.
So we know you got that in your pocket, and we're just getting started here. Come on back. Lots more wheels coming up on this Veterans Day 2022. We'll be right back.
Tis the season for our Secret Santa holiday giveaway.
I could be your Secret Santa.
Everything I win?
You could win.
Wheel Watchers could win everything. From big money to magical Disney.
Number 1.
But for your chance to win, you gotta have your spin. Spin ID, that is. Go to wheeloffortune.com and sign up for the Wheel Watchers.
2.
Santa's coming to town.
The American Music Awards are back.
3.
Did you put on Wheel of Fortune?
Yes. 4. 5.
Performances by today's biggest stars and music's greatest legends with this year's Icon Award recipient Lionel Richie. The American Music Awards, hosted by Wayne Brady. Live Sunday, November 20th on ABC and stay on Hulu.
Toyota is the #1 selling car brand in America, thanks to a steady supply of new vehicles, which means faster delivery to you. And now with special financing options. Choose an electrified 46 mpg Camry Hybrid right now with low 3.49% APR. 3.49% financing on an impressive 52 mpg Corolla Hybrid. Visit your Toyota dealer and reserve yours today. Toyota.
Is here for all of life's what ifs.
No, it's 12.
And then need to see a specialist. Well, immediately, right then and there. Or what if you need to get back to your life?
I got it in my teeth too.
Minimally invasive robotic surgeries for faster healing. And what if you need care that comes to you? We visit thousands of patients at home each week because at MedStar Health, we're prepared to care for all. MedStar Health. It's how we treat people.
Tonight's Veterans Week show is brought to you by the following.
Love, treat, and be merry. This holiday season, feel the joy of giving naturally delicious blue treats. Available at PetSmart.
Prevagen.
I have water in my eye.
Prevagen helps your brain. In clinical trials, Prevagen improves short-term memory. Prevagen, healthier brain, better life.
Tonight's mystery round is brought to you by Eggland's Best Eggs. There's only one egg that less saturated fat.
You see the wrapper?
Variety, better taste, better nutrition, better eggs. Only Eggland's Best. $10,000.
Howdy. We are back.
I think I'm all done for now. Since it's Veterans Day. Since Uncle Joe's a veteran, Uncle Tony and Peacock John and Walter Stevens too.
Look at that.
They're all veterans.
Well, there are two of them, and you have a quick $7,000. $900. T. 1 T.
I'm always gonna sneeze.